Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great day today, and I've got some great news coming up, some really big promising news, so stay with me, stay tuned. As you can see, I have the crypto bubbles. We're going to go over some of those before we jump into the news. So if you haven't liked the channel yet, hit that little like button, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and leave a comment. From what I hear, when you hit that like button, the price of crypto goes up all the way across the board. So let's get this to 1,000 likes. Maybe we can take crypto to the moon. I say that jokingly. There isn't any correlation there between crypto and the like button. So anyway, let's look at the crypto bubbles. The big loser today, it looks like it's Hex. Once again, it makes the board, it makes the channel. The high was 19 cents and the low was 16 cents, and it is just a little above the low today. Excuse me. As you can see, Hex is just a little bit above the low. Let's look at the big gainer. I'm looking here. It looks like it's Ultima. 19,000 was the low. 20,896 was the high, and it's just hovering right below that low number, or I mean that high number, excuse me. Let's jump into those three sisters. Bitcoin, let's check out Bitcoin. The high was 98,000, and I'm just estimating everything. The low was 95,000, and we are hovering around right at 97,000 right now. Just a little bit shy of 97. We need that to go up to 102,000. That would be very nice. It just took a big dip, I believe. I saw the flash before my eyes. Let's go ahead and jump into Ethereum. 2,700 was the high. 2,617 was the low, and we are about roughly $70 above the low right now with Ethereum. Check out XRP, and that's what I have a lot of news coming in. XRP, and today the low was $2.42. The high was $2.59, and we are hovering pretty close to that high, $2.55. Why did XRP raise today? A lot of good news coming, and with that being said, let's jump into it. XRP ETF rumors are growing, but this altcoin has of course, there's an altcoin with a 55,000%, and that's not XRP, that's something else. But rumors of a potential XRP ETF approval are fueling excitement in the market, as evidenced by how spot-based XRP ETFs are gaining momentum in US. Just this week, the Chicago Board Options Exchange submitted a 19B-4 filing on behalf of 4 asset managers: Canary Capital, WisdomTree, 21 Shares, and Bitwise. While an XRP could drive short-term gains, analysts are eyeing an even bigger growth opportunity in RCO finance. Of course, that RCO finance is the one that's supposed to be driving up 55,000%. So let's jump off this. What I want to do, I want to jump into this article. Of course, it's more anticipation And this is from February 14th. Somebody's in the future here. I say that jokingly. Of course, this is coming from Malta. The crypto market, most especially the XRP community, is filled with high hopes as the U.S. Securities with the SEC is expected to announce its decision on Grayscale Investments application to convert its XRP trust into a Spark. Basically the same thing that I just went over. So the implications of the approval, it would allow, basically the implications would allow an ETF to be created and more money just soaked into XRP. What they're saying, from what I'm hearing, is that XRP, if these ETFs are created, it could actually flip Bitcoin. So that's good news if you're an investor. So let's see what happened today. Of course, once again, they did accept the filing for the ETFs. Of course, with government and how it works, it's going to be a slow process to approve that. They have a 21-day public comment period for applications submitted through the New York Stock Exchange. So they have until January 22nd, 2025 to make a decision. And I've heard that it was October of 2025 where if this ETF is approved, that's when it would actually go out on the market. What's it going to do to the price? I've heard around $8.55 on the day of, and I believe that's why XRP today actually increased. People thought that the ETFs were going to be approved today, which it was just the submission of the paperwork, and the SEC, of course, accepted that paperwork, and I think that's why we saw a little increase in the price of XRP. People were buying it thinking, hey, that ETF is getting approved today. That wasn't the case. So I did see where they're trying to put XRP on the NASDAQ. So if that hits the NASDAQ, there's no telling. We're off to the moon, people, with XRP. If XRP or Ripple is traded on the NASDAQ, so a lot of great things happening with XRP. I hope this is helpful. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Little disclaimer. This is for news and entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence. And there's, of course, where I was talking about that, NASDAQ files 19B4 for the ETFs. So anyway, do your own due diligence before you do any investing. I am not responsible for any gains or losses. So I wish everybody good luck out there. Remember to treat each other like you want to be treated. And until next time, I'll see ya.